Let's design a stunning stage backdrop using Freepik's AI tools. Start by writing your prompt in Image Generator. Include a color palette, materials, and shapes. Now select the model Seedream. Great for generating conceptual images with rich colors and smooth textures. And click Generate. Now, choose the image you like most. Click Edit, and then use Upscale to enhance its quality. Next, go to the video generator. Now write a prompt describing the movement you want for your animation. Select the aspect ratio and duration. With Auto Model, Video Generator picks the best model for you. Then, click Generate and preview your animated backdrop, and click Video Tools, and open the Video Upscale, and upgrade your animation for crisp, professional quality. Then click Open in Video Editor to make your final creative touches. Start by giving your project a name. Then add text, and that adjusts how long it stays on screen. Next, edit the content by changing its color and replacing it with your own words. Once you're done, position it anywhere you want on the screen. Finally, tweak its animations to match your scene. And just like that, your custom animated backdrop is ready to shine on stage.